So you guys, this year is gonna be my year to finally be organized. That's definitely one of my New Year resolutions, is just to keep the house tidy. And since we're gonna go finally finish this room, I can just have more space. So hopefully they'll keep my house more organized. So yeah, you guys, comment down below what you guys New Year's resolutions are. Please let me know. I really want to know. I'm just nosy like that. So yeah, let's get to cleaning this room. All right, here is the room. And as you guys can see, we're still trying to, well, it's under construction, as you guys can see. So here's some of my husband's stuff, like his gym tools, Aviana's diapers, and a bunch of home decor and just stuff all around. So everything is just on the floor, you guys. So this is very overwhelming for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So finally today I'm going to clean our new room, our new remodeled room. I'm so excited because, as you can see in the back, it's finally done. I'm going to show you guys the bathroom because I'm done cleaning the bathroom. I'm just happy it's done. Finally, after a whole year, it's done. So I'm going to show you guys the back. Carlos did the bathroom all by himself. We just chose, well, partly I chose the colors, and he just went all out. And honestly, he doesn't do tiling for a living. He actually does not do that whatsoever, but he just went all out and decided to make his own shower. Okay, so this is the sink area. We got this from Home Depot. They had a really good deal on them, and I just really like that gray color. I think it looked really nice with the tile. I actually chose this tile. I thought it looked really pretty. But this is the overall view of it. We also made like this pull-out cart where we can put our laundry in here. I just need to buy more of these baskets or cans. That's actually a garbage can from Walmart, so I might have to get something different. I don't know, but for right now I think those are due. But overall, I really like it. So I just need to dust this whole area and vacuum and mop. But this is like I don't know, an overall view, I guess, right here. Oh, and this is gonna be a closet that's yet not done. All right, so I'm gonna get to cleaning and so we can finally move our bed. I'm just so excited to finally have a room where all my stuff is in one single area and I don't have to go to each room to find a clothing item or just something that belongs to me. So yeah, I'm just so happy, and we are gonna move the bed tonight in here. So I guess you guys are gonna see that. Let me be right by your side, 'cause I know that this is right. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start by sweeping this room, and also we'll come later on with my vacuum and start dusting. I don't think this room has ever been dusted. I'm just gonna dust for any spider webs and stuff like that. And I was trying to put this mirror here, but I guess it just did not fit. I think I'm gonna have to just look somewhere else to put it. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. Think of the things we do. If it was only me and you. This was the first time me using the Dyson 7 animal attachment. This is the one that has that higher reach attachment. I honestly didn't think it had a lot of suction. I mean, it got the job done, but later on you guys are gonna see that I would try to use it on my bed frame, trying to, you know, dust all that dirt that was underneath the mattress, and it didn't work. I had to use my husband's construction vacuum for that. What do you guys usually use to dust those areas of your house? All I wanna do is hold you. Let me get under your skin, find the secrets you won't say. Let me be the one you talk to. I can't call your love, 'cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. Be everything that you miss. I know you can't resist. Let me make your life. Moving on to the master bathroom, I am going to be using my Shark Professional Steamer. You guys, I love this steamer. I've had it for 6 months now, and I've been using it, I want to say, at least every 2 to 3 days, especially now because I'm trying to just keep the floors really clean, and because Aviana is just on the floor all the time, just crawling. She's trying to walk, so this has helped me so much in trying to keep my floors clean and not use a lot of product on it. I am spraying some concentrated rosemary and orange from Grow Collaborative, and just to give it a really nice scent and also like deep clean in this floor, since it hasn't been cleaned, and I don't think ever. I don't know about you guys, but my goodness, I am just so satisfied by these mop lines. I don't even know how to even explain it to you guys, but it just gives me a really good feeling. Like, it's just doing its job. In all the sunlight, while our feet swung freely from the bridge. My brother volunteered to help us move in the beds and everything to the other room, so that's why you guys are gonna see him and my husband back and forth helping me moving the furniture. But you guys, this is the first time I've ever vacuumed my bed frame and my tuft headboard. And you guys, I honestly am so surprised how much dust I gathered, or I ended up getting from this just bed, because wow, like I've never owned a vacuum, so I never actually done this. I've owned this bed for, I want to say, about 3 years or so, and I've never actually given it a deep clean like this, like I'm giving it today. And wow, I ended up getting a lot of dust, and it just looked amazing. It ended up looking like as good as new, especially underneath where you put on the mattress. And wow, that area had a lot of dust, and I am just so happy that I was able to just do this. And it was, oh my goodness, you guys, like just the whole process of it was so satisfying. I'm going to just show you guys a clip of the before and after because it's just so satisfying to me, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it too. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I would love to have you here. I am a mommy of a 10-month-old, soon to be 11-month-old real soon, and I do mommy cleaning videos along with a little bit of fashion videos here and there. I'm gonna start uploading twice a week now, and I really want to know what you guys are wanting, what days you guys are wanting me to upload. Right now I'm just uploading on Thursdays, but what other day do you guys think I should upload? I'm faithful like a blind. My husband here was just telling me that the house foundation, that's what you guys see, that's what it is. It's part of the house foundation, and we couldn't, you know, take it off or do anything about it, so we ended up just making it look like it's, I don't know, like a type of bench, or in this case it's gonna be like a part of our nightstand, I guess. And he was telling me that it was the same size as the bed, but honestly we're not gonna be using that as a nightstand, I don't think, because since right now we are still co-sleeping with Aviana, that's gonna actually help me sleep through the night and not be scared that she's gonna fall. In our last room we had the crib right next to the bed, so I would just lay her on her crib and then I have to get up when I needed to breastfeed her. But now the crib doesn't fit here, so I'm gonna have to just put it super close to this aka nightstand and hope for the best.
The dress?
No, I just need these. I'm gonna take these out. It's here, I was looking for it. Oh, there's my pants. Thank you.
On the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew you thought it was an old flame, but I told you it's not, so let it go. I try to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years, so why
Abby.
She crawled from all the way over there in the bed across here to her crib. Abby, where are you going?
¿Dónde vas, Abby?
Where are you going? Look at her face. What's he doing? What's he doing? What? You want to go to your crib? No.
Se va a subir por la ventana, a ver cómo vas a subir. What?
You like your new room? Yeah?
Se va a regresar.
Thank you for helping me, babe. Bless you. God bless you. Aren't you excited that we're finally gonna sleep in a new room?
Good night.
It's in the dryer. Let's go sleep, Abby. Go sleep. We have to shower. You want to say bye? You want to say bye? We're just gonna finish making our bed, making Abby's crib, and we'll go to sleep, right?
It's like with us, right?
We'll see how it works out. This is the farthest Aviana has slept from us. Right across from us. Because she's always been right next to our bed. So we'll see how tonight goes. You want to say bye? Say good night? Good night. Look. Good night. Good night.